I've never been one to look forward to cleaning until I was introduced to Koala Eco products. They have everything I need to keep my home clean, safe, and most importantly, non-toxic. Their products are derived from plant-based and natural ingredients. The Australian essential oils make them smell so amazing, and the whole experience is quite therapeutic. I use Koala Eco to keep my counters clean, to wash my hands, to scrub my dishes, rinse my fruits and veggies, and mist my pillows and linens. It really works. The dog wash is the perfect solution to keeping our puppy smelling good without any of the toxic ingredients. Koala Eco has become an integral part of my everyday.